Hello. Today is day 4 of my 30-day updates of how I make money online. Thanks for following me along. Today will probably be pretty quick, and nothing much has changed. Again, still making most of what's happening online through Fiverr. Today involved essentially making a bunch of I have 5 different website orders that I'm working on, so kind of wrapping up the details with those. And then I have a large video order, 30 videos in one order, and did a bunch of work on that today as well. So that's what's happening with my Fiverr work, and as you can see, I had a bunch more money become available to withdraw, so that's always helpful. And then I still have about $1,400 worth of orders that I'm currently working on. So what else am I doing? So the past few days I talked to you about Content Samurai, which is a great video creation tool that I use to make videos for my YouTube channels and for clients. So go back and look at that if you haven't seen it. And yesterday I talked to you about Spin Rewriter, which is an awesome online spinning tool that you can use for your blogs, for your YouTube descriptions, and for a lot of different things. Today I want to go over share with you a couple of things that I picked up this week that I went ahead and purchased to use in my online business. So it's easy to get caught up when you're trying to make money online with what's called shiny object syndrome. And it is easy trap to fall into. I remember being, kind of caught up with every new thing that came out. It just seemed like, oh, this is the magic bullet that's going to, get me where I want to be successful online, or this is, or that is, or this software, that program, this loophole, this easy button, this, magic traffic formula. And they all have these slick names. They, usually sell for $7, $10, $15. And, the easiest way to think of it is, why would somebody who's making a lot of money online give away their secrets for $7 or $10 or $15? Well, mostly because it probably doesn't work, or it was a temporary thing that worked for a little while, then it stopped working, but they decided they would sell it, or it's buggy software, or, a lot of different reasons. And to be honest, most times those low-priced offers are simply, what they call lead magnets. They're just meant to, because a lot of people are like, hey, $7, why not? I'll give it a try. $12, okay, I'll give it a try. And so now they have you on the hook as a buyer. And so then they can try to sell you other things and etc. The key with being successful online is getting over that shiny object syndrome and focusing on things that are going to help you move forward in your business. So when you're looking at buying something online, you need to have a very specific reason for it. Why am I buying this? How is it going to help me in my business? Is it a software that's going to help me do certain things that I'm struggling to do now, and so it'll streamline it? Is it something that will, I can use for content online, etc.? Is it something that I'm going to be able to resell myself to others? So you need to make sure, but don't just buy it because it looks good, because, it seems like everybody's doing it, but you really want to make sure you have something that a reason for what you're getting. So with that said, I did pick up this product that came out this week called Video App Suite. You may have gotten a ton of emails about it because it's super popular. But mostly I got it for a couple reasons. One, I think I bought the front end part. So I just have the 8. I did not get the upsell for the extras and plus for the white label. I'll just leave them the way they are. But I got it for, again, I got it for 2 reasons. One, because I think I'll use some of these for myself in my video work that I do. So, each of these are specific, or video programs that create specific types of videos. Facebook covers, intros, outros, slideshows. These are videos for stories on Instagram or Facebook, whiteboard videos, etc. So they create a specific type of video. So I will definitely use some of these in my own business. But the big thing is, on the front end, when I bought this, you could get the ability to, resell these to others. And so that's a pretty big thing. So I can, the terms are you have to sell each one for $19, but that gives me another revenue stream where I can sell these as part of my online business. the other thing is I did buy one upsell that gave me a bunch of extra templates just so that I have more flexibility when I'm doing things for myself or for clients, or if I'm selling the products for other people to use each of these software. So that was my reasoning behind that, and I think this is going to be real helpful. I have to wait till the launch is over to be able to sell it, so I don't have any links right now if these look interesting to you. If they do look interesting, just reach out to me, and I'll be happy to get you connected. And then the other thing I bought this week is I'm going to be start building a health-related online channel. And so this is a PLR, private label rights bundle about juicing and the health benefits of juicing. So I bought these articles, and part of the reason I bought it is because, health is a huge online niche, so I want to tap into that. This is a very specific or sub niche of that health niche, juicing, and so it's only $10, and I figured let me go ahead and grab it. And the person I bought it through was offering, I can't remember how many, I think an extra 30 articles, etc. And so with this PLR, not only did I get what came with what I purchased, but also the extras as a bonus from the person I bought through. And so I'll take these articles and I'll definitely use them with Content Samurai to make videos and build up a YouTube channel around juicing. So for sure I'll do that, just as I showed you the other day on how I use Content Samurai to create great videos for YouTube. Certainly can spin the articles through Spin Rewriter like I talked about yesterday and upload them, so I have more videos to upload to YouTube, and then can make a nice little blog actually out of these. So and then that blog I could sell on Fiverr, or I could sell to other clients if they want a blog about juicing. So just want to share a couple of these different ways that what goes into my thought process when I'm buying something and how I'm going to use it, but you want to have a specific purpose for it, not just to buy it and forget about it, but you want to know that you have it and that you use it and that you put it into practice. So thanks so much for watching again today. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'd love for you to be notified when something new comes out. I'm going to keep going on this 30-day updates, so if you want updates, just subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications. And then also, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't, hit the dislike button. But thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a great day.